Hello and welcome to our tutorial on how to upload your vaccination card to your online cruise check-in. Now for this process, you will want to have your booking number handy, as well as your vaccination card or vaccination certification document. The first step in this process is to type amawaterways.com into your browser. And once you come to our website, you'll want to click on this blue button that says My Cruise on the upper right-hand portion of your screen. That will bring up a box where you can find our cruise check-in, so click there. The first step in this process that you'll see on this page is to type in that booking number and to provide your last name and click Search. Now you will be asked to validate your birth date within the next step to verify that this is definitely the correct person checking in. So simply choose the month, the day and the year, and then click on Validate. If this is your first time coming to the cruise check-in, we encourage you to read the information in this opening letter. If not, please click Continue. So once you have gotten to your cruise check-in, the people that are joining you on your booking, you'll see their names as well under that same booking number. And if it's just you, you'll see your own information here. Now you'll be able to click on Health Questionnaire. While this information is available at 90 days prior to departure, the only part that we are asking you to fill out right away is this section regarding your vaccination, your proof of vaccination. The remainder of this health and contact tracing questionnaire, we request that you fill out within 14 to 7 days prior to departure. Otherwise, the information that you submit won't really be accurate as to who you've been in contact with prior to your cruise. Now, at this point, if you have not already taken a photo of your proof of vaccination, we're going to flip over to our instructions on how to do that. So bear with me while I bring up that document for you. This document will also be available for you to download. So in order to take the photos, you'll want to have your mobile phone, your iPad or tablet or your digital camera ready. And please take one photo of each side of your vaccination card or certification. We understand that many people have different proof of vaccinations, and some of them don't have a backside. However, even if the back side of this document is blank, we do request that you take a photo of the back just so that we are sure that we have all the information we need within our system. Please make sure that the photos are clear and that they are legible and close up within the photo. So you'll see that we have samples of an acceptable photo and an unacceptable photo. Obviously, the one on the right is not legible, and we do need to be able to verify the information that you've provided in this document. We do ask that you be careful with shadows and make sure that you can still read anything beneath shadows. We know it's unavoidable sometimes, but as long as we can read all of the information clearly, that photo should be acceptable. After you've taken the photos, email the photos to yourself. Now on an iPhone, you can do this right within that photo section when you're viewing your photos. You'll click the icon at the bottom of your screen that looks like a page with an arrow on it. Then you'll choose Mail and type in your email address. And we encourage you to send the photos at medium size or above. Occasionally, the actual size is very large. So if it holds up your email, then we do request medium or large size. If you have an Android, when viewing your image, you can click the icon with the 3 circles to send it to your email as shown in the screenshot. Or after taking your photos, you can simply touch Menu on your phone, tap Gmail to launch your email, press the Menu button again and touch Compose. Then type in your email address in the To field, press Menu again and touch Attach. Then touch the appropriate photo to attach it to your email and press Send. The next step in this process, and you may have to wait a few minutes depending on the speed of your phone or your email or your internet connection, you'll open your email and save the photos to your computer. You can do this by clicking on the arrow next to the file attachment, as shown here, or by using your mouse to right-click the photo if you see the image within the body of your email. For both options, you'll want to choose Save As. Then select the folder or location where you wish to save your image files and be sure you know where each one is located. Otherwise, when you get back to that health questionnaire and you go to upload it, you won't have any idea of where to find it. We also request that you name the files clearly for the front of your vaccination card and for the back. Sometimes when you take a photo, you'll see a bunch of letters and numbers and a code pop up in this bar right here. Please just rename, click to rename, type in something that will help you remember, as easy as vaccination card front and vaccination card back, and then click Save. Now, to upload your proof of vaccination, we'll go back to that health questionnaire within your online cruise check-in. You can see here for the front, you'll choose the file. And when you click that, your file explorer will pop up and you'll simply need to search for that place, that folder, or that file that you saved. And make sure that you're doing this one by one, that you choose for the front of your vaccination card, the file named front. Click Open and then Add. Now this process may take a moment and you may not see any sort of spinning on your screen to tell you that it's in progress. Just give your computer a moment to actually add that file. You'll be updated on the page, it will refresh, but then you'll see that that file has been added down below. You've got the name of the file. Now, if it's the wrong side, you can click delete, or if you've chosen the wrong file by accident, click delete and start the process again. We'll do the same for the back of our vaccination card, whether or not it's blank. Choose the file, find that location, find the file that says back, click open and add. And again, give your computer a minute. It is trying to load that document, and depending on the size, it may take a moment. As you can see, my screen has refreshed, and when I scroll down, the back of that card is there as well. Again, please do not fill out the information within your health and contact tracing questionnaire below your proof of vaccination, as we're looking for this information within 14 to 7 days prior to departure. You will receive a communication from us and possibly your travel advisor reminding you to do this within that time frame. Now, if you'd like to check that this information has actually saved, and I would encourage you to do so, you can click this button at the bottom of the screen that goes back to your check-in. It will take you back to this screen. Simply click back to Health Questionnaire. And you can see these files have still saved here. So once this process is complete, your vaccination card or certification has been saved within our system. And that's the last step you need to take to upload your proof of vaccination. We cannot wait to see you. Happy sailing!